Welcome back to CBS This Morning. COVID apparently not stopping people who want to get home to see loved ones. That's a scene from the airport. Till recently, this was a rare scene at airports, but in 2020, long lines, they've returned as millions of people are going away for Thanksgiving despite the surging coronavirus cases. TSA workers screened more than 3 million people between Friday and Sunday, and that is their busiest three-day stretch since March. At the same time, tens of thousands of airline employees are still out of work. Kris Van Cleave learned how some of them are doing. Good morning to you, Kris. What did they say to you?
Well, good morning, Gail. They are holding on to hope and really hoping that between what the Trump administration says in its support for a stimulus, Democrats in the House support for a stimulus, that something can get done to bring them some help. So far, that hasn't happened. United's chairman wrote an impassioned open letter to other businesses pleading with them to hire furloughed airline workers. But when we talk to some of the thousands of folks who have been without a job now for over a month, they're starting to get really worried that help isn't coming.
What transition you want to make in that field?
I would like to still work around customer-based driven jobs.
Flight attendant Terry Evans is job hunting. He took unpaid leave early in the pandemic and then got furloughed along with nearly 35,000 others when the government's payroll support program expired at the end of September. He hasn't had a paycheck since March.
How is the job market right now?
It kind of has its up days and its down days, but more down than up. For me, I'm feeling like it's a big, huge circle. I'm applying every day.
Employment centers in several Northern Virginia communities just launched a rapid response program to help airline and airport workers who have lost jobs due to the pandemic, offering free in-person and virtual resources like resume writing and networking. Michael Briscoe is an employment and training specialist.
Are there jobs out there that'll pay their bills?
So that's where the challenge comes in. There are opportunities out there, but you have to be prepared for those opportunities.
With Congress unable to agree on a second COVID relief package, CBS News estimates more than 90,000 airline workers have lost their jobs through furloughs, layoffs, or by taking exit packages. Nearly 84,000 others have taken unpaid leave. Thousands more have experienced pay cuts.
I'm just really nervous. I'm really scared about where my health will lie.
We met Denisha McCluskey just before she was furloughed, still holding out hope Congress would act. They didn't. Her Crohn's disease once nearly killed her and requires regular, costly infusions. Now she's just weeks away from losing her health insurance.
I want to be able to continue the treatment because it's been working, and I want to be able to continue to live what to me would be deemed a healthy lifestyle, and I'm scared of that being ripped right away from me.
Daryl Aaron and his wife both got furloughed and then days later had their first child. They've now got a newborn baby girl, but no jobs.
I need to make sure that she's taken care of. We're making ends meet right now, but it's going to be tight if we don't have some income in the near future.
Back at the Career Center, Terry Evans moved in with family to save money while he job hunts.
Honestly, this can't go on for much longer because bills never stop. We need health insurance. We need to live.
Airlines have renewed their push with Congress last week. The CEOs told lawmakers that they need additional aid, citing the spike in coronavirus cases and the increase in cancellations they fear could be devastating once the holidays pass. Also, they say they need to have more people on staff so they can be nimble to help with vaccine distribution. Anthony?
Wow, 90,000 airline workers out of work. Really hope these people get hope they find work or get some help. Kris, thank you very much.